Hello, this is Deanna Abdiel, and welcome to our Week 3 reading assignment PowerPoint. This is mainly done by Deanna Abdiel, Matthew, and Arnie. This is some of the content we will be going over this presentation. The purpose of this assignment is to read the chapter, grasp an understanding of it, and collaborate with our teammates to create a video for this assignment. Simple Network Management Protocol began in 1970s and used to be called Internet Management. However, the SNMP's expansion into other networks, it seemed fitting to simply refer to it as SNMP Management. The Simple Network Management Protocol is most widely used network management system and is facilitated through the use of a manager and an agent. Most network devices have a built-in agent and therefore can be automatically detected and managed through SNMP and NMS. While NMS and SNMP can be used to monitor and interact with network, these systems are scalable from small networks to global networks. Think about it. A global network could be managed by individuals around the world 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. Today's monitoring, isolating, and resolving troubles can be accomplished without ever dispatching a repair technician to fault the location. Auto-healing networks restore service and to the networks automatically, while artificial intelligence can perform fault analysis. At the heart of this IAB, Internet Advisory Board, later known as the Internet Architecture Board, was the managing task force of the IETF and IRTF. As stated in the book, these two have roles. The IRTF is tasked to consider long-term research problems in the Internet. It creates focused, long-term, and small research groups working on topics related to the Internet protocols, applications, architecture, and technology. With the growth of Internet, the IETF organization has grown to be the protocol engineering development and the standardization arm of IAB. SNMP model is one that the information that provided by the agent and manager. This is where communication between the manager and the agent must happen in order before anything is changed. Of these is organizational, and this can be done in 3 ways: by a tier organization model, 3-tier organization model, proxy server organization model, and NMS. This is where either the manager and the agent process of the data or event both processes data as one or the other and can look at the data to better inspect traffic and switch between autonomously or manage. These entities create internet documents that were later known as RFC, which were conversations where problems were solved and became the standards. These manage a lot of SMI, MIB, SNMP, but the book lays out some in figure 4.4. There are 3 of the RFC and STD documents. They are SMI, MIB, and SNMP protocol. There are 3 standard documents, STD 15, 16, and 17, that have been approved by the IETF. STD 15 RFC 1157 define the SMP protocol. RFC's 1905 on the protocol operations and 1906 on transport mapping are expanded updates of RFC 1157. These have been updated to RFC 1448 and RFC 1449. It's subsequently with the evolution of SNMPv3 to RFC 3416 and RFC 3417, respectively. In Figure 4.4, RFCs in the back of the cascades are earlier versions of the draft that become obsolete For example, RFC 1448 had been replaced by RFC 1905. The SNMP network layout has a path between the manager and the application while having the protocols for transport. The, the protocol allows communication through the message, which is referred to as an event. The GET request is mainly done by the management, and the GET response is done by the agent. Also, a trapped is also done by the agent. The SNMP management has their database physical, and the SNMP has their database not physical. This mostly shows in detail the SNMP, MIB, etc. SNIP architecture. This works with the collections of networks management. There are different parts to this and how they work and communicate throughout the network. Traps are also here to limit the traffic in the network. It can range from generic, specific, and to time-step traps. Thank you for listening to our presentation. We hope you enjoyed it, and here goes our works cited.